In the quiet of dawn, the brothers came before God. Abel brought the best, the firstborn of his flock, without blemish. Cain brought what he had gathered, but not his best. The fire of heaven fell on one and passed over the other. Why are you angry? Why is your face downcast? If you do what is right, will you not be accepted? But if you do not do what is right, sin is crouching at your door. It desires to have you, but you must rule over it. But Cain did not master the sin. In the field, his hands rose against his brother. And blood, for the first time, stained the soil of the earth. Where is Abel, your brother? Am I my brother's keeper? His blood cries out to me from the ground. Now you are under a curse, a wanderer, marked, but not destroyed. For even in judgment, I am still God.